Hello, I'm Electra, and I love butterflies, and I'm the technology butterfly. Today I'm going to test a game for Magical Park, and the game is called Evergreen. So kids, follow me! So kids, what we need to do, we need to find the rubbish and give it to the tree, okay kids? I found some rubbish! I found the apple core. Here it is. Here's the apple core, see it? Got it. I got it. See? Kids, I'm walking to the tree so I can give it to it. Tree, here you go. He's got heaps of apples. But if you get to the edge of the park and you can't go any further, go back to the middle and teleport. So you have to push the little dragon. I tap on him, he wakes up. Then I push this little house, teleport like that. Then look at all the sparkly grass. But you have to use your phone. Now I can see everything I need. So kids, I liked about the little dragon when you teleport and the flowers and the tree. And it's very good to play this game because it helps you remember how to keep the parks clean. So thank you for watching Electra the Technology Butterfly. And when you find this kind of flower, it's a magic. So let's see if I like butter. If it shines, it means you like butter. And I like butter because look, it's shining. So thank you and goodbye. I'll see you another time.